Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to install YouTube on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. And let's get started. So basically, YouTube is pre-installed application on your tablet. So for example, if I will open this folder Google, you can see the YouTube right here. But if you are not able to find it, you can open the apps list by swiping it up, and here in search, type in the word YouTube. And it will be right here. By clicking on it, you will open it. But if something happened and you don't have pre-installed YouTube on your tablet, don't worry, we can fix it. For that, we would need to open the Play Store. Here, we would need to click on this search icon on the left panel, then click on the search bar and enter word YouTube. After you will search out this word, you would be able to see this app, and here you'll be able to notice this big button install. You'll just simply click on it, wait a little while until it will download, and this is it. After this, you'll for sure have the YouTube on your tablet. That was it for today. I hope this video helped, and thanks for watching.